What's up, YTV? This is your boy DJY, and I'm back with another episode. In today's video, I want to show you legendary Storch is cooking up something special in studio with also legendary Steve Lobel. Check this out. Guys, honestly to say, for me, Storch is definitely one of the greatest producer of all time. Guys, before I finish the video, I want to ask you a question of the day. Guys, honestly tell me who is your favorite music producer of all time. Just tell me in comment section and let's discuss about this topic. So it was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe until we get the notification bells and visit hiphoptvy.com. When you have Steve Lobel and Storch on the same place, on the same studio, literally it means that something special is on the way, period.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit, YTB, just keep it going.